Hey folks, today I am taking my family out to the Trek Bicycle Store located in Austin, Texas at 10947 Research Boulevard. Uh, we took our son's Strider bike, who had a flat tire, and I've never replaced one of the tires on this type of wheel before, so I brought it back to where we bought the bike from. The mechanics were so kind to do the repairs. So while they're doing that, I decided to gallivant around the store looking at the various bikes, and wife said, no bikes, no purchasing of bikes today. But knowing me and my history of cycling and racing, I gravitate towards a bike that costs a few dollars. As we take a look at this price, it is over 8 grand. She'd be mad if I brought that up to the counter. But anyways, I continued to gallivant and look around as I contemplating trying to buy this bike without her knowing. Well, we're going to continue, and there's a mechanic shop. They are working on various bikes. Hard at work. And there is our patient's son, and he is enjoying the store and all the different varieties of bikes, parts, food, gels, clothing, tools, anything that has to do with bikes. There's our mechanic as he diligently puts on the new inner tube. I kept breaking my levers putting it on, so I brought it in. As you can see, you got a lot of gels, you got different items for riding, and here we're heading over to the children's section. Different bikes for the kids, different ages, and there we go. Someone's approaching. Oh, here we go. Someone is looking to make a purchase, I do believe. It is stickers for the bikes. There we go. Someone is happy, so off he goes. At the counter, making our purchase, got the fixed wheel, got the Honey Stingers. They were one of my very first sponsors when they first came out, so I was one of the originals back in 2003. As you can see, the outline of the store, everything that is there.